yeah, they spoke your name. Emotional. I don't think they heard you, man. Emotional. Who's the best rapper around? Emotional. Who's the new killer in town? Emotional.
Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Emotional, and guess what?
I'm back!
And I'm better than ever. And can't forget this.
Ooh, Chavo!
That's right, y'all. I am the Sultan of Sexy. You know where the best be is me. Can't you see? I'm fresh and so clean. Nah, I mean, somebody need to sign me. I'm gonna keep saying it till somebody do it, man. I'm gonna keep on saying it. But today, we are here for... Matter of fact, before we get into this video, I'm gonna start this new thing called Weird Comment Wednesday. Because a lot of y'all be saying some weird stuff, and I'm about to get you for it. I'm about to get you. Okay? So, we're gonna start off with this one. Sir. Sir. You said I'm noisy, right? So I'm noisy? I'm not noisy. This is noisy! That's noisy. And also, before we get into the video, I just like to let y'all know ahead of time that this is not the actual video. This is a reaction video. So I skip around for legal copyright reasons. Not because it's fun, not because it's fancy. None of that jazz. And on top of that, I just ask y'all for 1, 2, 3 things. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button on, because we are the sexy, the best looking family on the tool. Turn your post notifications on so you can activate your sexy. And then go ahead and hit that like button on for a dash of more premium level sex appeal. Now, this is a request that was sent to your boy via my comment section for the one, the only, Faouzia. Now, apparently this is something that she did when she was really young, 12 years old. The song is called Hurricane. So, we're gonna go ahead and dive into it. This is Faouzia Hurricane. Y'all know what I like to do. Hit him with the gyration, wood. Hit him with the gyration, wood. Hit him with the gyration. What? Let's...
Our last song will be one that I wrote. It's called Hurricane, and I hope you guys like it. I just used to walk around to think the things were safe and sound.
Hold up. Really? Really, Weezy? Really? Are you serious, bro? You almost sound the same as an adult. How do you do this?
The secret is in the frosting, but I'll never tell.
What is this? How is it the fact that she 12 years old, according to what you told me, she's almost sound the same as she do now? You've been sounding grown your whole life. I told y'all she came out the womb singing. I don't care. She came out the womb singing. I'm telling you, cuz. She did it. She did it and you can't tell me nothing. Let's keep going. It's crazy, bro. I just tripped off of it. Where did you get this pen game from? Your pen game been nasty since a toddler. What? I told y'all, if she don't get a Grammy by 25, the thing is rigged. I don't care. She sound the same. Bars. Ooh, okay, Pinky. Say what? Sang it. Yeah. Okay. Hurricane, hurricane. You sound like what? What? Say yeah. Say yeah, say yeah, say yeah, say yeah. That's right. Say what? Hurricane. Oh. Clap. Why you ain't clapping? I see you. I see you not clapping. See, it's like this. Here's the tempo. Here it is. Clap. Clap. Clap, Wheezy. Clap. Thank you. You're not clapping. I said clap. There you go. And don't stop when I start the video again either. I know you. I know you. You ain't smooth, cuz. You ain't slick. I see you. I see everything. I'm the Sultan of Sexy. I'm everywhere and nowhere. Let's go. See what? What? Oh, we see it. All right, y'all, that's the end of that video. Why wasn't you clapping when she started the thing? Why wasn't you clapping? I see you. Don't lie to me. You was about to lie. I see you. I know. I see the body language. I see it. You was about to tell me a bold-faced lie. Don't lie to me. We are the sexy, the best-looking family, not lie. You see what I'm saying? It's the difference. You know what I'm saying? I'm sexy, not stupid. You know what I'm saying? I'm sexy, not stupid. It's a difference. You know what I'm saying? See, sexy and slow, it's the same amount of letters. But sexy and stupid is two completely different things.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Anywho, but doll, like, she sound the same. Her voice just got a lot more mature. That's what it is. Like, I don't know what else you want me to say. Like, I didn't know she had a pen like that. We definitely felt your power, though. We definitely feel it now, and we felt it back then. Oh, yeah. That's just what it is. Ooh, excuse me, your boy. That's that sex appeal coming out. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, excuse me. Ooh.
Boy, if you don't get...
Yeah, man, dope request, dog. I didn't expect nothing from her as a kid, dog. Like, that's dope. I dig it. So, that's all I got for y'all. And I know y'all want to continue this vibe with your boy and continue to activate your sexy to the premium level. And I know you don't want to do this.
Lois, let me handle this. Chris, I'm gonna say this in a way an Italian mechanic would understand. You're breaking your mother's heart!
So since you don't want to break your mother's heart, leak it. Comment. If you don't want to feel me come through like a hurricane, hit that subscribe button. Turn post notifications on. I'm emotional. And I am Gone. Hurricane, hurricane. It's the transmission.
I just want you to see the power. I just want you to see the power in me.
Came to get down. You know that I came to get down. Came to get down. Me and my squad, we came to get down. Came to get down. You know that we came to get down. Came to get down.